Have you ever looked up at the sky and seen the sun disappear in broad daylight? That awe-inspiring moment is a solar eclipse, one of nature's most spectacular celestial shows. But what exactly is a solar eclipse and how does it happen? Simply put, a solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes directly between the sun and Earth, casting a shadow on our planet. This alignment blocks the sun's light, either partially or completely, from reaching us. It's a cosmic coincidence that the moon, despite being much smaller than the sun, can appear to cover it perfectly from our perspective on Earth. There are several types of solar eclipses, each offering a unique visual experience. The most dramatic is a total solar eclipse. This happens when the moon completely obscures the sun, turning day into a twilight-like darkness and revealing the sun's ethereal corona, its outer atmosphere. It's a rare and unforgettable sight, visible only from a narrow path across Earth's surface. Then there's a partial solar eclipse, which is more common. Here, the moon only partially covers the sun, making it look like a bite has been taken out of it. The sky doesn't darken significantly, but the event is still fascinating to observe with proper protection. An annular solar eclipse occurs when the moon is farther away from Earth in its orbit, making it appear smaller than the sun. During this type of eclipse, the moon passes directly in front of the sun but doesn't completely cover it, leaving a bright ring of sunlight visible around the moon's silhouette, often called a ring of fire. Finally, a hybrid solar eclipse is a rare phenomenon that shifts between an annular and a total eclipse along its path, depending on the curvature of the Earth. So, how does this precise alignment occur? The moon orbits Earth and Earth orbits the sun, while the moon crosses Earth's orbital plane around the sun twice a month. A solar eclipse doesn't happen every time. This is because the moon's orbit is tilted by about 5 degrees relative to Earth's orbit around the sun. An eclipse only happens when the sun, moon, and Earth align perfectly, and the moon is at or near one of these intersection points, called nodes. The moon casts two main shadows: the dark inner umbra, where a total eclipse is seen, and the lighter outer penumbra, where a partial eclipse is observed. It's crucial to remember that looking directly at the sun, even during an eclipse, can cause permanent eye damage. Always use certified solar eclipse glasses or indirect viewing methods, like a pinhole projector, to safely enjoy this incredible event. Never use regular sunglasses, as they offer insufficient protection. Solar eclipses are a powerful reminder of the dynamic and intricate dance of our solar system. They are moments of wonder that connect us to the vastness of space. So, the next time a solar eclipse is visible near you, remember to observe it safely and marvel at the cosmic ballet unfolding above.